The Clarke Contractor CR4 router is a powerful and versatile tool that will find many uses in your woodworking projects. This smooth-acting router is built for the professional user as well as the serious DIYer. Closer examination will reveal a variety of special features which confirm its suitability for a wide range of accurate and detailed woodworking tasks. The CR4 is supplied with 1/4 inch, 3/8 of an inch and 1/2 inch collets and a 22mm guide push. It has large comfort grip handles and features a soft start for ease of use. The dust collection port is included to help keep the working area clean and free of debris. With its powerful 2000 watt motor, the rotation speed can be controlled from 23,000 RPM down to 8,000 RPM, permitting the safe use of larger cutters. The CR4 comes with a circle guide and a micro-adjustable parallel guide, plus 2 guide rods. The CR4 has a smooth plunge of up to 66mm, with options to lock the depth and spindle for regular tasks. In addition to the depth turret, it also features a micro-fine adjuster, allowing depth adjustment to a fraction of a millimeter. With an attractive and quality build, the great value Clarke Contractor CR4 router will give you many years of great service.